Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the topic trigonometric function. Prove that cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So let's begin with the left hand side. Here we have cos 3x is equals to, by using the compound formula, we are having cos bracket 2x plus x. Kindly expand the situation. So cos 2x cos x minus sin 2x sin x. Then replace or substitute the situation so that we can obtain the angle x for the right hand side by using the double angle. So 2 cos square x minus 1 multiply with cos x minus, again by using the double angle for sin 2x, and we will have 2 sin x cos x multiply with sin x. Kindly expand the situation. 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin square x cos x. Kindly substitute the basic identity where we have sin square x plus cos square x, which is equals to 1. Sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x. So now we are going to substitute the situation. So 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x bracket multiply with 1 minus cos square x. So kindly expand the situation. So 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x plus 2 cos cube x. Simplify the situation. Finally, we have 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x for the right hand side, and for the left hand side will be cos 3x. So we have already proved the situation. So from here, given the situation cos 3x, for the right hand side we will obtain the angle x. If the situation is cos 6x, and for the right hand side we'll have 4 cos cube with the angle 2x minus 3 cos 2x. Now for the second part, hence shows that cos cube 2x is equals to 1 over 4 multiply with cos 6x plus 3 cos 2x. So kindly make use of this situation, rearrange so that cos cube 2x become the subject. So we have cos 6x plus 3 cos 2x will be equals to 4 cos cube 2x. Finally, cos cube 2x will be equals to 1 over 4 bracket cos 6x plus 3 cos 2x. And we already shown the situation. For part B, use the above identity to find all the solution in the interval negative 180 degree until 180 degree of the equation 2 cos 3x plus cos 2x plus 1. So here we have cos 3x. Kindly substitute the situation. So 2 bracket 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x plus cos 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Next, what we have to do is to replace the situation so that the cos 2x become x for the angle. So 8 cos cube x minus 6 cos x by using the double angle plus 2 cos square x minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Kindly simplify the situation. So we will have 8 cos cube x plus 2 cos square x minus 6 cos x equals to 0. Kindly factorize the situation and we will have 2 cos x bracket 4 cos square x plus cos x minus 3 bracket equals to 0. Factorize the situation and we will have 2 cos x bracket 4 cos x minus 3 multiply with cos x plus 1 equals to 0. So in here we'll obtain cos x equals to 0. Cos x is equals to 3 over 4. Finally, cos x is equals to negative 1. So in here we have 3 parts where cos x equals to 0 is part A, followed by part B, and then finally part C. Let's focus on part A. Step number 1, observe the situation where we have cos x is positive. The location will be the first and the fourth quadrant. Second step is to find the basic angle, where we have cos x is equals to 0, x will be equals to 90 degree, where we have a basic angle. Step number 3, range. So the range will be negative 180 degree until 180 degree. Step number 4, the rotation. Kindly refers to the first part, which is positive, meaning that the first and the fourth quadrant. Step number 2, observe the basic angle, and here we will have the basic angle. Step number 3, kindly illustrate the range. So in here will be our starting point, which is negative 180. So follow the anti-clockwise rotation. So we will have negative 90. Then we will have 0. Continue the situation until this part we will have 90. Then 180. So here will be our situation. So for the answer, we will have the intersection between the blue color and the green line, where this is the first intersection, then this will be the second intersection. So finally, step number 5, the solution. X will be equals to negative 90 degree. Then we will have 90 degree for part A. Next, kindly focus on part B. By repeating the same situation, step number 1, where we have cos positive, and the quadrant will be the first and the fourth quadrant. Next, we are going to find the basic angle. So cos x is equals to 3 over 4. X will be equals to 41.41 degree as a basic angle. Step number 3, the range. So in this part, the range will be the same, meaning that from negative 180 degree until 180 degree. Step number 4, the rotation. So now, kindly refers to the step number 1 where the first and the second quadrant, where the first and the fourth quadrant is the location. Next, kindly refers to the basic angle. Here we have the basic angle, 41.41. Here we another part, 41.41 is our basic angle. Next, illustrate the situation for the rotation, negative 180. Until this part we have 0. Keep on rotate until here we will have 180 degree. So the location or the intersection will be first and the second. So the answer or the solution for the part B will be x equals to negative 41.41 degree. Next, we will have 41.41 degree. That will be the answer for the part B. Let's focus on part C. So we have step number 1. Observe the situation where cos x is negative. And the location will be the second and the third quadrant, where cos negative. Second step, we are going to find the basic angle. Do remember to ignore the negative sign. So the basic angle will be 180 degree. Third step will be the range. So in here, the range is negative 180 degree until 180 degree. Step number 4, the rotation. So kindly refers to the step number 1, where the location is the second and the third quadrant, followed by the basic angle, where we have 180 degree. Next, illustrate the situation or the rotation, where the starting point is negative 180. Until this part we have 0. Keep on rotating until this part we have 180. So finally, the intersection point will be this part and followed by the second part. So finally, we have the solution will be x is equals to negative 180 degree followed by 180 degree. So finally, write the final answer. Do remember to check the basic angle or the range. So the range is focused negative 180 degree until 180 degree, where negative 180 and 180 is not included. So our final answer would be x is equals to negative 90 degree followed by negative 41.41 degree. Next will be 41.41 degree. Finally, we have 90 degree. So here we are, and thanks for watching.